This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. True 3-bedroom home with a terrific floor plan, has a brand new metal roof, impact glass windows and 2 assigned parking spaces. There is a covered patio that was recently rebuilt with new screen and door. Inside are porcelain tile floor coverings throughout, granite countertops in the kitchen, a large living room and lots of windows for natural light. Main bedroom has an attractive tile step-in shower and convenient dressing and vanity space. Live close to boat ramps, beaches, shopping, desirable schools and restaurants. Excellent tenant is in place with lease to end February 2024, tenant might vacate before the lease expiration date. Trucks and a pet are welcome for owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.